Hey, what's up? How are you? Kofiti? Yeah, I'm fine too, man. Just chilling. I got a spot here. Na kishapata spot, unajua tu mambo hufanyikanga kwa spot. So, I've been thinking. I'm someone who really likes being around the nature. And I'm also a filmmaker. Na kitu moja nimekuja kurealize is that I might come to like enjoy do place. Kama kuja tu chill place kama hii. For me. When I get, because it helps me in one way or the other. Not in one way or the other. Ikiri inanisaidia. And nikuja kurealize, like for example, jana nilikuwa huku hivi. Nikuja tu chill and I feel like I ended up recording most of the time. Yenye hata siku enjoy the serenity of the place. I don't know if it happens to you, but me, I don't know. I do get distracted and is it distraction really? I don't know. Distraction is something else because you get distracted when you're bored. Me, I get distracted when I'm bored. And juu niko na matalanta mingi, I tend to switch from one art form to the other. So it's easier for me to not just like kuna tu vitu mingi zinakuja kwa akili, but let me digress. So leo nataka tu ni chill manze. I don't want to record anything. I just want to chill manze and enjoy hii serenity. Nisikie tu venye kunaenda. Look at this bird. I want to record this. Hey, now I'm distracted. Jana ni smoke huko juu. Hiyo ndo spot naenda sasa.